Hi guys, today we're going to make fluffy slime. So the first step is to add glue. This is also some resin. Don't put that much glue at first because you could put more glue after. Then now you put in the shaving cream. It doesn't matter what shaving cream is, I just use this kind. So that looks like enough. Now you have to mix it, and if it's not enough shaving cream, not enough glue, just add like a drop more. Okay, after you put in the glue and shaving cream, and you mixed it very well up, now you could add contact solution. Instead of contact solution, you could also use cornstarch, borax, a Tide, and that's probably it. Then you start to mix, and it thickens up like a little bit. Remember, for the contact solution, add very little at a time. Let me add like a drop more. Never overactivate it. Okay, it looks ready now. There's still some stuff that's not. I want to get everything off. Okay, so now I think it's probably ready. It's stretchy and nice. So take it out. And play with it always in your hand. So this slime is fluffy slime. I'm gonna keep it right here. So if you leave it out for a day, it's gonna have like bubbles, but it's gonna become good and it'll become really stretchy, and this is what's gonna happen when it's a day. So it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna be really stretchy, and good. Not as fluffy, but it feels like better slime if you leave it out for one day. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and do lights up and put on the never mind. So